Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 4. Again, appreciate all the support so far for this year's COOKMAS. It is fun to give you guys these videos daily, and I hope you do enjoy them. For today's recipe, it is a classic and timeless one. Many people say that they have the best, but I'll say this is at least one of the best recipes you'll ever find for the classic sweet potato pie. My sweet potato pie recipe is special though because it comes from none other than Magic Johnson himself. This is a recipe that has been in my family for a very long time, and like I said, it was given to us by Magic Johnson through the power of Essence magazine back in the day. But it still calls for a few of the simple ingredients that sweet potato pies may have, and it might be some that you haven't seen before. So hopefully you guys are ready for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still aren't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video during this COOKMAS season. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so this is my recipe for a magical sweet potato pie. I surely hope that you guys did enjoy this recipe. I definitely recommend it. The flavors are absolutely delicious, especially if you love the traditional sweet potato pie. So if you did enjoy the recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Let me know if sweet potato pie is your favorite. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you still are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during this COOKMAS season. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys. Happy holidays.